What's up, guys? This is Dev in Motion. This is my first YouTube video. I've recorded it twice now because I was having some audio issues, and today we're going to be starting a new series where we are creating a Discord bot using Discord.js library. Let's get started. Down in the description, you will find 3 links. One will be to the Discord developer portal. I'm just going to go ahead and use this one that I already created for the one that I messed up earlier. And you will find another link for Visual Studio Code and another one for Node.js. For both of these, for this one, you just download for Windows. For this one, download Node.js. Once you have it installed, you can go wherever you please, create a new folder. For the YouTube video's sake, I'm going to name this YouTube Hut. I'm going to right click on it, open it with code. Hit open over here. I'm going to drag it over here. You can either open a new terminal by hitting Control tilde key, or you can come up here and hit terminal and then select new terminal. So once you're here, you will do npm init, and then to skip all the setup questions, we're just going to do -y. Hit enter. It's going to set up a package.json for us. And then we need to install the Discord library. So we'll do npm I discord.js. Let that install. And then we will make a new folder called commands. We will create a new file called index.js. And we will create another file called deploy-commands.js and one more file called config, if I can spell correctly, config.json. And then we'll head into the index.js file. We will do const, open the brackets, equals require discord.js, and we will be requiring client gateway intent bits and collection. We will also need fs, so const fs equals require fs, and we will need path, so const path equals require path. And then we will create a new client, so we will do const client equals new client, open parentheses, open brackets, and we will be setting the intents. So intents colon gateway intent bits dot guild. No, not guild. Guilds with an S, actually. And then we will need gateway intent bits dot guild messages. And we will need the gateway intent bits for message content. And then close this off. We can do client.commands equals new collection, const commands path equals path dot join, open parentheses, underscore underscore, that's 2 underscores, dir name, comma, commands, const command files equals fs dot reader sync open parentheses commands path, and then a period filter open parentheses file arrow function file dot ends with .js. And then we will come down here, we will do a for const file of command files, const file path equals path dot join oh no, commands path, and then comma file. And then we will do const command equals require file path. Down one more line, we will do client dot commands dot set command dot data dot name command. And then we can go out of here, and then we will do client dot once ready. We will do an arrow function console.log bot is online. Then come down, client dot on interaction create async interaction if exclamation point interaction dot is command return. This is basically just saying if the interaction is not a command, just to return. And then we'll do const command equals client dot commands dot get interaction dot command name. Close that. If the command does not exist, so if exclamation mark command return. And then we will open up a try catch. So we'll try wait command dot execute interaction. Otherwise, it will catch the error, and we will console dot error await interaction dot reply content. There was an error executing the command. And then we will set ephemeral to true so that nobody else has to see that there was something wrong with the bot. Client dot login. And we'll just put token here, and then we'll come back to that once we have the token inside of the config. For now, we'll go to the commands folder, create a new one, name it ping.js. We will do const equals require discord.js, go back into here, and we need the / command builder. And then we will do module.exports equals data new / command builder, open and close parentheses. We will set the name to ping, set the description, replies with the bots ping. We'll go down, async, execute, interaction, and then we do const sent. Okay, why am I getting an error? Oh, forgot. We need a comma right there after the set description. Const sent equals await interaction dot reply. And we'll do content. We'll just set it to ping. And then fetch reply. Make sure you have a capital R on the reply. True. Oh, shit. Then we'll do interaction dot edit reply. Make sure that R is capitalized again. Latency is 1 second. Is $ sent dot created timestamp minus interaction dot created timestamp. And then we will go out of there, hit MS, or not hit MS, we will type MS because it will give us the latency in milliseconds. And then we will do API latency. And actually, we'll come back here and get rid of that, and we'll put bot latency, API latency, and we will do $ math.round interaction client.ws.ping. Once again, go out of there and type MS. And then we can put a comma there. Save that file with Control S, or you can just do save. And then save all if you have more than one. And then we can go to deploy commands.js. Const equals require discord.js. And we will need REST and routes from the discord.js library. And then we can actually go into the config.json, and we can do token. And we'll come back to enter all these in a second. We would do client ID, and we will do guild ID. All right, to go get these, we will come back over here. We'll go here. Your client ID is the application ID, so we'll copy that. And then we'll paste that into there. We will go back into here, go to bot. You'll come back in here. You'll reset your token, enter your password, submit it, it will give you a token. You copy the token, come back into here, paste your token into there like that. And then to get your guild ID, open Discord. Go to your guild. For this, you will need to have go to advanced, make sure your developer mode is turned on. Right click your guild, copy the server ID, and paste that into there. And then we can go to deploy commands.js again. We can go to const equals require config.json, and we will be taking the client ID, the guild ID, and the token. And then we will need fs, so const fs equals require fs. Good lord. Oh, I already had one there. Okay, so const commands equals an empty array. Const command files equals fs dot reader sync. And then we will need the one second, hold on. Okay, period / commands dot filter, open parentheses, file arrow function, file dot ends with, open parentheses, dot .js. And then for const file of command files, we will do const command equals require commands, another / $, open brackets, file. Commands dot push command dot data dot to JSON. And then we can get out of there. We can do const rest equals new rest. And we will set the version to 10. And then we'll say set period set token, open parentheses token. And then async, open and close parentheses, arrow function, open bracket. And we'll do a try catch. So try, open bracket, console.log. Started refreshing application. Open parentheses, / close parentheses, space, commands. And then we're not done there. Await rest dot put, open parentheses, routes dot application guild commands, open parentheses, client ID, comma, guild ID, comma, open bracket, body commands. Come out here, put a comma there. Then we can do console.log successfully reloaded application. commands. And then we will catch any errors that may arise. So catch error, open brackets, console.error, error. Then we'll come down here, open and close parentheses. Before we run anything, we actually need to go back into here. You need to turn on the present intent, server members intent, and message content intent. So just turn all three of these on. And then you'll come over here to the installation tab. It'll look something like this. Hit bot, select permissions. I give it an administrator. And then you just copy the URL, paste it, and add it to your server. My bot is already in my server. Then that should be everything. So you will need to do node deploy -commands.js and then do node index.js. Oh, that is not it. I forgot. So we'll just come back over here and we'll just copy this, paste this, and just get rid of the client ID and guild ID and just leave the token in there. And then now do node index.js and see your bot is online. You can come back over to your Discord server and do /ping. Hang on, what? Okay, so I realized I just made a mistake. I spelled body wrong. Now let's try that again. Deploy the commands. Let's try it again. And that looks like it was it. So I'll send ping. And once it gets the bot ping, it'll edit the reply and give you the bot latency and the API latency. If you like today's video, go ahead and drop a like, comment, and if you want any more future videos and to be notified, go ahead and subscribe and turn on the post notifications button. I will see y'all in the next video. Peace out.